Yo, what is up guys? It's Steve from Digital Unraveled here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add pronouns to your Zoom meeting. So adding pronouns to your name on Zoom is a new feature that they have just rolled out today. So it's pretty cool, so people know what to call you if they're not calling you by your name. So to add pronouns to your Zoom account, what you need to do is log into Zoom on zoom.us. And then you can navigate to the profile section on the left hand side there. And then when you see your name over here, go ahead and click on edit on the right hand side of that. And here you have the ability to edit your name and things like that. But if you scroll down a bit, you can now see pronouns. So you would go ahead and enter in your pronouns. So things like his, him, his, or things like that. And now you can set your settings. So it says share in a meeting or webinar, and you can set 3 different settings: ask me every time, always share, and do not share. So I'll select always share because I like the idea of the pronouns. And then you would simply go ahead and scroll down and click on save. And now your pronouns have been set. And in my case, when I'm in a Zoom meeting, it will display my pronouns on my profile card. Now, if you're on mobile and you're wondering how to get the pronouns feature, for the iOS, it is still being rolled out because they do need approval from the App Store and things like that. But if you're on Android, let me just go onto my phone right now. So I'm on my phone, and if I go to the Play Store and then I search for Zoom, and then I see there it says what's new, and I tap on that. If I scroll down right to the bottom, it says version 5.6.7, and the pronouns is in the 5.7 update. So in my case, I don't have it yet. If I go back, it says open instead of update. So you do need to have the 5.7 Android version of Zoom to be able to add pronouns to your Zoom profile card, but the process will be similar how it is on a desktop computer. You will just go ahead and go to your profile, and then underneath your name you can go ahead and set your pronouns. Once it is available for Android, I'll go ahead and make an update video for Android users. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below so you don't miss any more social media tips and trends. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.